So if you are a digital artist, you might be aware of the fact that Photoshop has a feature which allows you to rotate your canvas while drawing and painting. But sometimes that feature doesn't work. Generally, what you have to do is just click on this rotate view tool. Click here and you rotate the canvas, but right now it's not working. It says could not complete your request because it only works with OpenGL enabled document windows. So here's a simple fix. All you need to do is go to Edit, Preferences, and Performance. And here you can see GPU settings, and here's a box. You just need to check this box which says Enable OpenGL Drawing, and then click OK. It's still not working because first you need to close the app. Close it and open it again. So now you open a canvas and you can rotate your canvas. That's how simple it is. Okay, you can reset view and then again rotate, reset, rotate. So I hope this video solved your problem. Thanks for watching.